Eat. Good boy. Stepped out for 2 seconds, Louie. And you steal shoes again? Your dad gonna cry. You took the soles out. What do you have to say for yourself? Hmm? Hmm? Come out. Good boy. Wait. Come here. Get down, Louie. Get down. Don't stand. Ready to go to walk? Okay. Ready, Louie? Ready? Yeah? Ready? Hand. Louie, you tired? Go walk. Louie, come here. Louie, who's that? Who's that in the mirror? Who's that? Louie, very aggressive.
Look at that, Louie. Look at that.
Very cute with the bow tie. Sit up. Sit. Good boy.
That's not food.
Louie, your dad said that's not food. He wants to play. He thinks it's a toy. Look at his tail. No. Louie, you broke it. You happy you have your play area back? You know you can go inside if you're hot, right? Right? You don't have to stay here. Get inside. Go drink water. You just want to be here? Mm-hmm. Sorry, Louie, but it's your nap time. You can't play right now. Go nap. Face all squished up, Louie. Both your legs out. Leg out. Leg out both sides. Very cute. Slowly opening up, Louie. Where are you going? I'm not gonna take it, Louie. Just wanna see. Louie, that your safe spot? Come here. Sit. Louie, did you want to play with the bottle? Where's the ball? You know I have it. Ready? 1. Oh, no. No, you don't do that. 2. 3. 4.